Hello guys, it's Nintendo iOS, and after a very long time. But today I'm gonna show you how to download and play Pokemon Uranium on an Android device. So first of all, let me tell you what is Pokemon Uranium. Pokemon Uranium is a fan game. It is made in RPG Maker XP. RPG Maker XP is an engine, or you can say is a game developing engine where you can make your own game. So it is not made by Pokemon Nintendo, that a Nintendo company. It's a fan game made by some peoples around over the world. They have created their own fan game, and it is the most demanded and most popular fan game ever. And the game is very nice. But as you know that Pokemon Uranium is an PC game. It is made by RPG Maker XP, so you cannot play that game in Android. As Pokemon Uranium is made in RPG Maker XP, and RPG Maker XP games can only be playable on your Windows PC. You can use Wine to run it on Wine. By using Wine, you can run it on Linux or Mac OS X, but it will not run in Android. So today I have a solution for you to play Pokemon Uranium or any other RPG Maker XP game on your Android device. So as you know that if you wanna play a ROM, yeah, just like PSP ROM or PSP2 ROM, or or you can say Nintendo DS, Nintendo 3DS games you gonna play, but those games uh, cannot be played on your Android device. So you need so what you do is you use emulator, right? Just for 3DS we use Drastic, and PSP you use PPSSPP. It is found in Play Store. So you have to download that ROM and just use that emulator to run that game. So so here it is also like that. RPG Maker XP games can only be played on PC, but you can play it on Android device. But make sure you cannot play any PC games by using that emulator. You can play only RPG Maker XP games, or its successor like RPG VX, RPG VXS, or RPG Maker MV. Okay, so today you can play any games, but today I will only show you Pokemon Uranium. It is the most popular fan game. You can play any RPG Maker XP games. So first we will install the emulator by which we will run RPG Maker XP games or Pokemon Uranium on our Android device. So let's go to Play Store, go to and search Joy Play. So this is the name, Joy Play. You will go here and download. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, this emulator Joy Play. But and also you need another thing, which is its plugin to run RPG Maker XP games. You can click that link here. You can see, and you will see all the products made by Joy Play, and you can go and yes, you can see this RPG Maker plugin for Joy Play. You will need this to run RPG Maker XP games, and Pokemon Uranium is made in RPG Maker XP, so you will be able to play in by using this plugin. So this is not an standalone plugin. It will be used by that Joy Play. So you will go and download it. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. So you need these two things. Perfect. Now go back to Play Store. Now today I will be showing you how to play Pokemon Uranium. So we will download Pokemon Uranium. Go here and search Pokemon Uranium. You can play any other game, no worries, any other RPG Maker XP games, but today I will show you Pokemon Uranium. So go and download Pokemon Uranium download. So there will be many other sites, but you need a zip file, not an installer file, because installer file is for PC, not for your Joy Play needs zip file. So go here, and you can see there are many sites. I'm going to the first one. As you can see, I think it's an exe, so don't use this. So always go this site, download Pokemon Uranium wiki, and this site will allow you to play Pokemon Uranium. So go to desktop side. I am going to desktop mode. As you can see, the lookout changes a lot. So you can see, you can download Pokemon Uranium. Just click here and it will take you to the Reddit page, as you can see, and from here you can download it. You can see there are two download links. One is for installer and other one is for zip. Other one is for what? Zip version, as you can see, zip version. So you will download the zip version one. Here you can see download is, you can click on mirror one. Don't go for install, and it will go and install in your Google Drive. So after installing on your Google Drive, you'll press OK. There I have already downloaded, so I am pressing cancel. So please make sure that you go and download the zip version. You can use this set on any other site, but make sure you have to download the zip version one. Now go back. After you have downloaded, go to the Google Drive app, and as you can here see Pokemon Uranium 1.2.zip. so it will be in zip file, so you have to extract it. So go and use, you have to download GRChap. It is used to extract zip files, and I've already extracted it. So it will show me here, as you can see, it will show me there, and you have to go and extract it in your desired folder. So yeah, after you have extracted it in your desired folder or desired location, so after you have extracted it, you have to go and use JoyPlay, this emulator. This emulator is used to play, as I have explained earlier, it is used to play Pokemon or any other RPG Maker XP games on your Android. So go and open it. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, so as you can see, I have played some games before, but it will not show you, and you can see Pokemon Uranium is not there, but I have that in my Android device. So you have to add it to run it on your Android device. So click on plus, as you can see there, and yeah, here you have to add that game into this emulator. So you can name that game. I am naming it Pokemon Uranium. You can name any version, this is not necessary. I'm naming it somewhat like that, but this one is choose executable file. So you click on choose and go there where you have extracted Pokemon Uranium zip file. I have extracted in RPG Maker RPG XP games, and here Pokemon Uranium. Click there and make sure you choose uranium.exe, this file. After extracting, go into that folder and choose Pokemon Uranium.exe and choose. So you have choose the executable file. Now you can add any icon for identification, like I am adding some graphics. Here you can see graphics. You can add anything, no worries. I have chosen this graphic and click on add. After that, it will go and add that in your emulator. So here you can see Pokemon Uranium has come. Click here, and yeah, it will start to run your game. And as you can see, the game start to run. Yeah, this is the Pokemon. It is running very smooth, but it lags a little bit. It depends on your Android specification and configurations. Here, these are the controllers. Pokemon Uranium version. So just click. So yeah, game is this. You have the controller which pressing the button. These are the things. Go to new game. Now it's telling me to game mode. I'm choosing the regular mode. Are you want to play with this mode? Yes. Oh, who's it? Oh, hello there. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. Who is this guy? My name is Bamboo. But if you find that hard to pronounce, you can just call me Professor. You have a kid who is applying for a job, right? Great. Want to know more than as you can see, you can play the game just like that. Thank you, and please do subscribe, like, and comment in my channel. Thank you.